Hello, my name is Gigi and welcome to today's video where I'm going to start with a couple of mistakes. As you can see, I have already painted these nails with a really pretty gray that's leaning into the blue direction. And I didn't get it recorded. I don't know what happened. I did this set like a week ago already now, and I had meant for them to be Saturdays, but you know, things happen and I just couldn't get it together, and I wanted to spend, sorry about that, my daughter sent me a Snapchat, but anyway, I wanted to spend, it's my granddaughter Jessie's 16th birthday was on the weekend. And also, I just wanted to go to my grandson's t-ball game. I had not had a chance to get to one of those. And this is the other mistake. You didn't get to see me do the top wings on this butterfly. There's also going to be a tiny butterfly added to this one that you're not going to see as well. I was just doing something at my desk and I saw it sitting there and I thought, wouldn't it be cute if we put a little cute butterfly there? And I didn't want to get my phone, so I did not record that. And so there you are, 3 horrible mistakes. Okay, not horrible. But anyway, I had a wonderful weekend with my family. And today I woke up nice and early and was the second person to vote at the voting place that I went to, the voting center. It was at the college that's like a 10 or 12 minute walk from my house. So it was just a nice walk this morning. It was really funny, you guys, because now we're going to make one big butterfly across these 2 nails while I tell you this little story. And in case you hadn't noticed, these butterflies are leaves, right? The wings on the butterflies are leaves. So it's our fall leaf. And I don't know if I'm thinking they're butterflies or moths, right? So anyway, at the polling place, I get there about 5 minutes early, and there's about 10 or 12 other people there. And I'm like, okay, cool. I'm not going to have long to wait. And so when they open the door and we all start filing in, there's like 3 options. You can go up the stairs, go up escalators, which are on the other side of the room, or you can do the elevator right there by the door. So as they're all filing up 2 flights of stairs, I hit the elevator and I go up to the 3rd floor, pop out of the elevator, beat them all up there, and was the second person to vote. I was like, dudes, elevators, there's 2 of them. It's so much faster. Plus, I didn't want to get up there and be out of breath and have to use my inhaler or anything. So there you go, elevator for the win. Okay, so I hope you guys voted. All right, it really does matter. And this year matters an awful lot for women's rights. And that's as political as we're going to get in today's video. There you go. Please vote. If you are on the West Coast, you still have almost 4 hours left to vote. So get to the polling station, get your vote in, let your voice be heard, because it really matters. So we're finishing up our little that side of our butterfly. Although, honestly, don't you think it looks a little more mothy, right? Just a little more mothy. Oops, I think I might have cut out. I wasn't paying attention while I was talking, so maybe I made a mistake editing the video too. Guys, it's really possible. On Saturday, I went... because I spent Friday and Saturday with my family, and then I knew I was going to be home Sunday. So I got my 4 different vaccines on Saturday when I came home at the pharmacy. I got the flu, I got the vid, the shingles, and RSV. I had RSV a couple of years ago, and let me tell you what, I don't want that again. So, excuse me. I've been getting tickles in my throat all day. I think it's just the fall weather, and there's probably something blooming that I'm allergic to. Because there are things that bloom, like ragweed and stuff late in the year. And I'm definitely allergic to that. So we're just doing our little outlines here and stuff. Today's video was super de-duper chatty. But that's because I felt like I missed you guys on Saturday. This was going to be Saturday's video, like I said. I have something coming in from an indie seller on Etsy. It's supposed to be here tomorrow, so I thought we would play with that for this Saturday's video. I'm very excited to get it. I looked up the best of this product on some videos, and the video I saw that made me want to get it looked really great. And so hopefully we love it, guys. That's all I'm going to say about that. I don't want to tell you what it is yet, but it's something that I have not found in my collection or for my collection, a brand doing this product that I really love. Every single one I've ever tried is very hit and miss. And if you've watched a lot of my videos, that might be enough to tell you what it is. If you think you have a guess, hit me in the comment section. So guys, since I have a couple minutes here, we're going to do some Frenches here. We're going to do each of the colors we used in the moths. I think I'm just going to lean into the moth thing. We're going to call them moths. There you go. We're going to do those as Frenches. It is going to take 3 coats. I'm not going to make you sit through that just to get the color right, because I didn't think to do Frenches before I had fully painted the nails, so the colors weren't looking right until I got to that 3rd coat. So guys, I am an administrator of a Facebook group. Are you still on Facebook? And almost no one is in that group, and almost no one posts there. So, I mean, there's a couple people, but it definitely needs some jazzing up. So I was wondering what you guys think about taking over that group as a group for us, where we share ideas and nail stuff, and we're not mean girls about it. Because that's one thing we would not be doing there, is laughing at people or cracking on people who are just doing their nails, right? If that's what you're looking for, this would not be the group for you, okay? But let me know what you think about that, because there's only one other lady that admins, and she barely pays attention to the group. So I think that she would be down with it. So let me know what you guys think, and if you like that idea, I'll give you the information to join the group, and we'll turn it into a Glam Tones group. So now that we have some flowers on our Frenches, there you go, enough of my yakety yakking. We're going to put some little gold beads inside the middles, the same way we had gold beads in between the flowers. And then we're going to do top coat. But we are going to do a matte top coat. I really just think with the muted colors, with the fall vibes of it, and with the mothy feeling of the butterflies, which we're just going to roll away from the butterfly idea and roll right into moths. These are moths as far as I'm concerned. So I just felt like a matte top coat was going to suit this much, much better. Here we are with our beautiful matte top coat. Let me know in the comments section if you agree or you think you would have preferred it shiny. I think it's perfect as a matte top coat. Guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you're still here, give me some sort of butterfly in the comment section, and let me know what you'd like to see on the channel coming toward the end of the year and into next year, because I'm always interested in what you guys think. Thank you again for coming by. We are going to see you at the end of the week for much more. And until then, bye-bye.